XRP holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. So, once again, I'm talking about XRP today update. Let's start the video, guys. But that's good news video for all of you because in this video, I'm talking about the huge pump of XRP which is coming soon, guys. Anyways, let's start the video. But please subscribe our channel for more news and update videos, guys. The right now price of XRP in the market is about 0.944814 USD dollar. That is the right now price of XRP in the market. And furthermore, guys, if you study the changes update of XRP, so now you can see here last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, completely, guys, the whole changes of XRP is going negative, guys. So personally, I'm very sad to see these negative changes, but don't worry, very soon these changes will be converted into positive changes, guys. Now you can see, guys, if you look the price chart, so from 25 September, from yesterday, XRP gradually, slowly the price start pumping, guys. And I believe, guys, that now it is the beginning of a huge pump. It is the beginning of a huge pump. And the another good news is that in the beginning of October month, higher possibility that a huge pump is come. Maybe XRP will take a huge pump, guys, because now the trading volume of XRP is very fastly increasing, guys. So due to this positive trading volume, I believe that a huge pump is coming soon, guys. Anyways, what you think? What is your prediction about XRP? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and update videos.